Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you recover deleted videos on Android phone. So there are two ways you can just recover your deleted videos on Android phone. The first way is you need to just go to your phone gallery. Now in your phone gallery, click the top second option, albums. Now just scroll and here you can see deleted items. Click on it. Now in the deleted items, you can just recover your deleted videos from here. Just click on a video and click on this option, restore, and by this you can just recover any of your deleted videos. The second way is just go to your phone Play Store. Now in the top search bar, search for recover deleted videos. Now you can just download any of this app because all the app works the same. I'm downloading this one. Now after installing this app, just launch this app. Now if you want to start a free trial, you can just click the bottom start free trial, or you can skip it by clicking the top left cross icon. Now you need to just give your permissions. Now here you can see in the middle option deep scan, click on it. Now here you will find all of your deleted videos. You can just click on a video and here you can see in the middle option restore, just click on it and you can restore it. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.